Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and the purpose of this website is to review the main binary option brokers, to try to present them and to try to show to the general public how to profit from binary options, as this business is full of, let's say, tricky brokers. Now, in order to avoid joining random brokers and to have unpleasant surprises, you may come to us with any questions, you may come to us with any inquiries, you may come to us with any problems here on fairbinaryoptions.com, and we will find a solution for you. We will check that respective binary options broker, and then we'll review it and post it on our site. And you will see that by negative reviews, they will attract more negative reviews, and let's say an untrusted broker will be punished by the general public. Otherwise, here on this website, you can choose any of these recommended brokers. The reviews here, they were all reviewed, and in this way you avoid again joining random brokers, and you will ensure swift and secure payments when you make a deposit. Again, if you have any problems, just go on the bottom of the page here on the contact button, as you can see here on the contact, and send us an inquiry. You want a specific broker to be reviewed, or you want some more information regarding a specific broker, no problem, just tell us, and there. Binary options. How to profit from binary options? Well, binary options is a simple thing to learn, but like in the poker game, it takes a few minutes to learn it, but a lifetime to master it. Basically, a binary option trade is related to buying an option, never selling, but buying an option. But if you decide that your website, that your asset, is the euro-US dollar, for example, like it is in this case here, or another currency pair, or another asset like a stock or indices or whatever, and you decide based on your analysis that the currency pair or the asset should move to the upside, then the logical thing to do is to go and buy call options. Whenever you buy call options, you are looking for price to go into the upside at the expiration date. Expiration date may differ from broker to broker, from binary option to binary option broker, but normally goes from very short-term expiration dates like 60 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minutes, or even 5 minute expiration date, 1 hour expiration date. It may even go to end of day expiration date with end of week and end of month, and there are many other types of binary options. For example, the one-touch binary option, the boundary, and so on. So if you think that at the end of the day, today, for example, as you can see, it is 6:33 p.m. So if you think that at the end of the day today, the euro-dollar should head higher, then you just go and buy a call option, because you are thinking that at the end of the day, the euro-US dollar will have a value bigger than 135.92. If at the end of the day, by the time the US markets are going to be closed, 21 GMT, the euro-US dollar will have a value even with 1 pip bigger than 135.91, that is your striking price, then the payout would be tremendous, more than 70% in the majority, in the case of all these brokers there that you have here. As you can see, the maximum return is 88% on Lionhive, 90% on Bank the Binary, or on StockPair there is 85%. As you can see, on average, well above the 70%. Now, 70% return on one bet is something that I could live on, and it is quite catchy and appealing to the general public. Now, if you decided for whatever the reason, like it was, for example, the European Central Bank decision today, and the tone on Mr. Draghi, the president of the European Central Bank, has been bearish or negative, and you decide that the euro-US dollar should head to the downside, then you should buy put options. So you are not selling, you're only buying the option. You are buying put options. And if you think that at the end of the day today, the euro US dollar will have a lower value than 135.88, even with 1 pip, then at the end of the day, the outcome or the potential payout will be again in the area of 80%. Any respectable binary option broker, like the one listed, listed here, are offering short-term expiration dates as well as medium to long-term expiration date and different kind of binary options. So if you feel the need to check your broker before going and trading binary options, then feel free to visit fairbinaryoptions.com, as here on fairbinaryoptions.com we are reviewing the best binary options trading platforms and the best binary options brokers for you in order to make the right decision which broker to visit. So if you go on fairbinaryoptions.com and click on the review here, you'll see the conclusion and what is the recommendation for each and every broker. You will see that there are not only positive reviews, and the reality comes from the emails and from the inquiries you guys over the time sent us. So feel free, whenever you are in the need of more information of one binary option broker, just contact us. So again, fairbinaryoptions.com here. Thank you very much for being here and looking forward to your inquiries.